see that time.
Guys, I don't know if I showed you guys what it looked like with my my solar lights in the garden, but yeah, they came in last week sometime, and I put 3 of them in this middle bit right here, and then I put 1 of them in my tub thingy right there in front of the door, and the other 4 are, see that? 1, 2, 3, 4 are right there. They look really nice at nighttime. Oh crap, I forgot I brought the mat out this morning. Oh God, guys, I'm so sore. Fabian's got me jacked up, man. It makes me feel like I haven't been doing anything. Like I'm literally so sore. Move, baby. Hopefully I remember to, sorry, baby, come on now. Move. I remember to come out and show you guys what it looked like once it actually gets a little bit darker. What a difference a day makes, right? What a difference a day makes. Look at my tomatoes, you guys. Is it true that if you count them, they'll fall off? I don't want to count them, but it's a lot, right? It's a lot for one plant. See? See? Make sure you're not caught my tomato, you know. Don't count them. Anyway, I'm about to go shower and make myself look like somebody because it's Saturday. Guys, thank you for the love on my video where my trainer tried to fat shame me. I was totally in agreement with you guys until maybe... Ooh, a fruit fly. Hold on. Hold on. Where's this damn thing? I hate these things. One of these come into your house and they freaking land on one of your bananas, and all of a sudden you have 1,000,000 of them in your house. Me eat them. He disappeared. My banana's over here. Let's see. A problem this now, you know. Problem this now. I'm gonna have to kill him. Anyway, yeah, like I was saying, I felt a ways when my trainer was like, oh my God, you're a little big, you're so this, you're so that, whatever. But guys, I just take some picture a while ago. I just come off of the road, I'm gonna take some picture. I'm gonna come in and I look for the picture. Them say, girl, I'm not used to this person, guys. Maroon, you know, maroon. Guys, look, like, guys, look. I feel so keen. I literally feel so keen now if I want to look proper. No, I have to. This weight has to go. It can't stay. There is no room for me on this weight in this house here. No. Oh, let me show you my garden, guys, with the lights. First of all, right there. Bam! How cute does that look right there in front of the door? I love it. Let me turn the camera around so you can, well, you can see it like that. See? How cute! And it doesn't get to be very bright because unfortunately there's a damn street light right on the corner of my house. So obviously if it's not very dark, you don't really get to see how bright it is because it's so lit here, even though it's freaking after 8 o'clock. But it still looks real nice. Still looks real nice. And then over here on the side by the car, well, can you see them? Yeah, they're there. So I told you guys I have 4 on the sides right here. Very cute. Want a traffic light for blow so I can see the beauty of my yard. Is that selfish? Is that selfish, guys? Anyway, I'm home all alone. There's nobody else here. My dad's not here. Sisters are not here. No one's here because y'all motivate people. My sister is actually doing her garden today, so daddy and everybody is over there. I should go over there actually. Let me go fast. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking jump in daddy's car and go over there, go fast. I'll film them. Yes, so I motivated my sister, guys. Nobody can tell me that it's not me motivate my sister to do our garden, yeah? Cause nobody never want to do no garden until Cindy does her garden. So I'm gonna jump in Daddy's car. I'm gonna feel like take out my car right now. And I'm gonna drive to my sister's house because she was begging me to come before. And I was in the middle of doing something. So let me see if we can catch them, because when I was on the phone with her, I even heard Uncle Wenty's voice. So even Uncle Wenty's over there. So it's like a family freaking, I feel. I'm gonna feel very left out. I feel very left out. So I'm going over there right now. To say, oh yeah, don't look better, boy, yeah. I'm so competitive, guys. It's not a bad thing. It's a good competition. It's a good competition. Don't you worry. Okay. Yeah.
You don't need to do on there,
What, my bun?
No work today, no.
I did my garden myself. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi Uncle.
Oh, you look cute.
What up, kid?
Corona.
No, man.
What going?
Hey, as long as the Corona...
Here it says vlogging.
Thank you.
Here.
I'm vlogging.
Corona and I Brown family, we spread it amongst ourselves. So as long as we keep it local, we don't worry. We don't want no outside Corona.
That's true.
Homie don't play that.
Send the candy turn on the
Whoa, guys! Today when I passed by, it was a bush in here. It was
Don't say that.
it was a forest in here.
No,
Yes,
we see-
but it really was.
No, we say it honestly.
Guys, look.
Yeah.
Send the see
Hold on, those walk on them stone there.
If you want to go over there, so.
Oh wait, did you plant grass here?
Put
Yeah, grass.
Oh, very nice. These are hydrangeas. Look at that. They got hydrangeas, you guys.
Sunday.
Huh?
One did that already, so it's got full of top. Remember me tell you? That one is there from
This?
before. Yeah,
That's a hydrangea?
Yeah,
So big?
yeah, but these are new.
So these are gonna get that big? Right, the big plant. And they live all year round?
They die in the winter and come back again.
Oh, they do? Yeah.
They're from the foot. They work from on and on.
So wait there. So why when I was doing my garden, you never helped me.
You see what happened was, right?
What happened was,
You remember?
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. You see? Nobody not help me. It's Alex alone help me, guys. Yeah? And you see? The whole crew over here, so.
No, Sunday.
Everybody over here, so everybody.
You should have so much weed we have to pull out.
I saw. I was
just
here today.
finished.
So I think I have a green thumb
You
now.
come out proud every day and water it.
I water it. I take pictures of my roses. I am all about it.
All she's missing is the little bird chirping while she's watering it. Like coming and singing it.
I kind of wanted some roses too, but I'm like, I feel like this
Yeah.
with the grass and then those
Now
over
this
there
will look nice when it gets
when the
filled up.
grass, yeah.
Yeah, but then
So
by
how did
half
you guys
pound of dirt,
maintain it?
picture when they need 7 pounds.
So what did you put in there? The
Don't look for her.
grass?
And dirt, but me tell them so them to carry about 5 more bags.
Yeah.
And then now you can fold this up. And then now you don't get one of them guys over won't be puffy.
I'm yes, never. Yeah.
I tell them say no get no contractor for this. Go over there go pick up them.
Pick up one that come on for $50, $100. Yeah.
I never know about that.
Because that's when him get the contractors, they pick up the workman and pay the workman and charge you. So cut out the middleman and go fix it yourself. That's what I've been doing.
True. Yeah.
When you are homeowners, you have to learn these
You
things.
have to learn to save some money and ting.
Yes, Rasta.
So where's my beer?
Oh, the beer them
Last
done.
one,
No,
this text one.
I don't want your freaking drink and left.
no man. I'm out cleaning up.
My girl at Corona, you know?
But me not Corona.
I don't know.
I've been at my house
No.
since
That's a
March.
sister Corona is good enough.
Cindy, you know
No,
I've
she
been
not
home
told
since
me.
March.
I didn't even tell her I was.
Before
I
this
didn't even
thing
tell her I
got
was.
crazy, so cut it out.
They said she was with you.
We've been
I was with
working
her
from
when
home
we went to
since
go take
March.
some pictures, but then I went back. We went back to the house together, and I was inside. I was like, you know what? I should pop out here.
Oh.
I should pop out here and see what they're doing.
The heavy lifting, God.
You watch the movie I told you to watch?
I fell asleep, girl.
Seriously,
Maybe tonight. But guess what? On the vlog, I put up a vlog today, and somebody was like, "Did you watch 365?" I was like, "My sister
It
just
just
told
came
me
out?
yesterday." Is
Yeah.
it new?
Yeah, it's new. It's a soft porn. It's a soft porn.
Is it black people?
No, it's white.
Oh, sorry. I don't like porn.
What the hell's wrong?
I don't like porn. Is it really?
It's like a soft one.
Guys,
Love it. You ever see 50 Shades?
to the person who recommended that I watch 365, who do you think I am? My sister just told me it's soft
You
porn.
ever see 50 Shades?
I mean, it's very good.
Cindy,
Huh?
you ever see 50 Shades?
I did.
That's my movie, though.
It's on the borderline of that.
Is it as intense as 50 Shades?
It's a
or
little bit more intense.
It's more?
Yeah, like you see
to watch it.
Oh, it's about to be a fun night. Yo!
I cannot bother.
No, stop.
I was watching it, I felt a little dirty.
You alright?
Someone just give me Corona, guys.
Hey, give me the beer now. Put Corona in it.
Someone just give me Corona, guys.
You're nothing. Seriously, you hear me cough from
Guys,
here?
did you guys hear me cough all day?
Earlier.
Yo, that be a wicked, you know? Seriously, you hear me cough. My lungs well clean. Put your head on my chest.
She was coughing, Stacey?
I was not. Cindy, what did I say? God Almighty, you know.
I can't.
Cindy.
Oh, remember that, guys? No, but they used to say something when they did that. They used to do that when them kiss the cross. Are that?
Something like so.
A kiss? When them goes up?
When you go over your head.
I said, God kill me.
I
Like
sure.
when I try to prove to somebody.
Yeah.
I don't mean to it.
I want them to put things out of the shop and stuff, you get the Bible.
No, but that's not with that, you know. I just
I
want
get
them-
the ring.
Yo, that thing you say, I'm not like this.
I get the ring.
Yo,
It's a damn lie.
me know I said it now. Me know I said
Guys.
it. I do not need it. But yo, I said me I said.
Guys.
What you say, Simone?
Let's stop. Not do it by my name.
Guys, I don't know if you guys are familiar with this. Like, back in the day when we were kids, right? Like if anybody did anything really bad in the yard, like maybe somebody stole something or something, my grandma would get her ring out and she put it on a string, right? Over a glass of water. And then she called the name, like she go down the list of grandparents, them and say, who are the culprits? And I said, Jesus Christ, your heart and beat. And I said, oh God. What the ring do?
It breaks the glass.
No.
No, it's supposed to break the glass.
It don't break the glass. It moves.
No, but it's supposed to swing and break the glass if they call
It don't break.
it's you.
It don't break. It don't break.
But it never moves. But that's what she said.
Exactly.
It's supposed to happen.
That shit never worked, you guys. She did it when you were
Yeah, when
What did that
she gave me
mean?
lunch money,
Yeah.
and it's like the money gone missing, so we have this TV. And she grabbed the something, and she hold it up over. I don't remember for the Bible or the cup or whatever.
Yeah.
The cup,
But
the cup,
it starts soon. Everybody has when me check my book back, the money the right this.
I think she did it to put fear in us.
I don't know. But
I think she
people
did it to
believe
put
that crap
fear in
works.
us.
People believe it works because even there's a thing that people used to do like around Easter time.
Them drop
When
the
they crack
egg.
the egg.
I make it form. Like them say if it form a shape, it means you're gonna travel.
If it forms a
Like-
coffin, you're gonna die.
You never heard about that one? That one is big on Easter.
Something
like,
on Easter,
yeah.
guys. Like people used to
You
do
crack
it.
the egg in
I put in
I
a
think
water or something like
and then
that.
it's supposed to form something.
And it forms something.
Yes.
If it forms maybe like a wedding dress, you're gonna get married.
Yeah.
A ship you're gonna travel.
We used to be so
a ship you're gonna
excited to
travel.
do
A
it.
plane. Who used to be excited to do it?
We used to be excited to see if it formed anything. You know
I never did
remember?
it because me never want to see no coffin. Me never want to see no
No, my
coffin,
friend,
guys.
one time somebody did do it and the whole we did excited to see where it formed, but I don't even remember.
Maybe
what
when we were young. But
Yeah.
once me start have sense, me say me not do that something I can. Me no want.
For real.
Me no want to know. I don't want to know. But guys, we outside. Hey, we outside. Hey, we outside. Hey, we outside. Where's Kevin?
I think went inside to eat.
He's in there?
Yeah, he's probably upstairs eating.
Upstairs?
Yeah. All
Oh.
the way up.
Oh.
All the way up.
Oh, cook.
Somebody no cook a food water, the whole way out there from there.
The owner order food and not call me and say, Cindy, come get a
Cindy,
plate.
we've been tell yourself to come and you say you're not come nowhere.
I choose.
You say you not
was that
coming.
before or after the food was here?
Before.
Before, you say not come nowhere.
But if you told me there was going to be food, I would come.
But we not even know say we got the food when the whole of we were there. I would say, you know, so we're hungry. But I'm too tired for cook. So Kevin order food.
From where?
Fish and things.
Woo! That's good shit.
So, you know, I'm going to talk to, I need to talk to a travel agent.
Yeah.
Because in 2 years, when Miss 16, and you remember from she was 10,
Where
she's
does she
in
want to go?
Paris.
Ooh.
So for her 16,
She wants to go to Paris.
Yes. So I got to figure
I'm with
out.
it.
I got to figure out. Like,
Yeah,
the
y'all gotta
travel
start dating
agents
from
and,
now.
Like
You don't need a travel agent for that. Just get your money up.
Like you need like a group thing, like to get a group so we all go together. No.
I mean, you can look into it. I don't really travel in groups. I just get up and go.
I'm sorry. Rich bitch shit. I'm sorry. I'm not on that status. Okay.
Call them, I see. I mean, if we could get a group discount, then great.
Eat to it.
The part where I go up the step.
Yeah.
Hi.
Right,
This
this
is right outside. I bottom my step.
Daddy,
I want the back side.
Uncle Larry said I me a fella with a beard.
Hey, boy, go.
You know he did.
Yeah?
Like I commented on his beard on Facebook.
Yeah.
He's like, Cindy, what are you trying to tell me? That Gonti is following me with the beard? I said I don't know who first did it, but I'm just saying you guys are both rocking the Rona beard right now. The man so just say you are following him.
Yeah, no.
You're not following him. He's wrong. Okay, Winter, did you see the comment?
Larry up on the thing right now?
No, but on Facebook, you commented on his picture with the Rona beard.
Yeah, man.
And he made a comment like almost like Daddy's following him. Did you see that comment?
No, I didn't me all look. I really see.
No, what a piece of audacity.
No, but me, Mr. Cindy put up a thing say,
You and Daddy are
like
both.
what's up with you and Daddy with this beard or something like
Yes,
that.
I did.
To that.
I did. And then he came back and he was like, are you telling me that he's following me?
Oh.
I said, I don't know who's following
I
who.
run a beard them, you know. And if it them, they shouldn't keep it, you know.
No,
I like it.
This is it for me.
I like
This
it.
is it for me. I
I like
just
it.
want to line
Cause
up.
after the one of them see me I sport the beard and not here, you know, that's why.
Yeah.
I'm tell them say no just Missy just read put up a thing for Larry
Yeah,
thing
Missy
say
too.
no just for men.
No die.
No die. Cause this is true, me never share my beard. Cause it didn't hurt me if you know say me a younger one and for them beard black, so you know.
Yeah. No, me
So,
never have none.
so me show them now say uno no for share my it.
No, but look, look, me.
Cause I'm a rasta.
Me see, me guys, me go see.
Kevin.
Marlon.
Me mean Marlon.
Marlon.
I'm here say wait. And German.
Germany's
So
good.
me I say, and that's how me stop black, you know.
Shoot.
Yeah.
And then
I
Wally and me younger brother and feel beard grey.
I never,
So me said then the people that look at you like a fake.
I never use just for men from the bar.
You never black and Daddy?
No.
Yeah.
Cause Larry
He shave the half, but he never
yeah,
black me.
Larry got did use it. I'm going to Jamaica to wrap it and his face swell.
That happened to Germany too.
You have in
That happened to Germany as well. Yeah.
Larry,
That's something they are not good something going in your pores.
Larry,
Sore off.
Larry ended up at hospital. You can you imagine you go to Jamaica for a week and then you end up at hospital for
Alex, that's yours?
My other brother Kevin is here. You guys, I haven't seen him in a while, so I'm just gonna get him on the vlog real quick.
Oh my goodness. That scared me. We were just talking about the video. We were just talking about the video. Chill out.
What up, Kev?
I was busted.
What up, kid?
I have old dirt on me.
What you eating there?
Son.
something that's done.
Damn. Hi, Teji.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Kiki.
No, I look busted. No, son. I did on me. No, son.
So where's my food?
If you was coming out with that, you look crazy.
Crazy like how? Fat?
Barbie doll? No.
I should buy it because nobody got me any food, you guys. They ordered food for themselves.
No, she didn't.
Nobody got me any food.
She was coming.
Get some more. Bye, brother.
Bye.
Ashton is asleep.
Cindy, ready to?
Yeah, man, leave. Bye.
Your phone.
The father must say I'm going with you.
Oh, come on. Later, guys.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Rilla,
Yeah.
that's what the thing said.
Bye, Uncle.
Janu, bless up yourself. Every time.
Later, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Simone, we link up now. Iris. Alright, John. I want to be good here, man.
Later.
Oh, behind. You already know. Yo.
Mission accomplished, you guys. Oh God, this door. Wait. Daddy, you coming?
Well, you look good in that big truck here, you know.
Not true.
Yeah, I tell you, you sure you can see where you go?
Of course I can see.
You better jack the seat up.
After Daddy not taller than me.
Hey, but for you at 12, you are driving anything still, you know.
Exactly.
So,
I've
no,
been
no.
driving, you guys.
Yeah, you know, you learn from
Bad
the best.
driver from Baghdad.
Mr. Puller, little more. Later, see.
All right. Daddy, like when I drive out the car. Daddy.
Yeah?
You say like when I drive out the car?
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Look at Alex in his little toy car. Daddy has food, you guys. Daddy has brown stew fish and rice and peas, and he said I could have some. Thank you. All right, guys, so we have Daddy's food here, which is, ooh, Jesus. Look, from Fish and Ting. Brown stew fish with rice and peas. Daddy loves fish almost as much as I do. I just want a little bit though. Mmm. Mmm.
5 minutes later.
Alex! Come here. Come give Daddy him food. Guys, I murdered my dad's plate.
Come.
Oh. Tell him I said sorry.
I don't know what.
Tell him I said my bad. Belly full now, guys. Belly full off of daddy food. Good night, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
What I've been